Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Are you tired of juggling multiple devices, or worse, dealing with a slow, unreliable printer that eats up your valuable time and money? What if I told you there's an all-in-one solution that delivers professional results, blazing speed, and incredible value, all while keeping your budget happy? Stick around, because today we're putting the Canon imageCLASS MF656Cdw to the ultimate test. First up, let's talk about the sheer convenience of its all-in-one productivity. Imagine this: no more separate scanner, no standalone copier taking up precious desk real estate, and no clunky fax machine gathering dust. This Canon imageCLASS MF656Cdw consolidates print, copy, scan, and fax tasks into one sleek, compact device. For anyone running a busy home office or a small business, this isn't just about saving space. It's about streamlining your entire workflow. You're not just buying a printer. You're investing in a complete document management hub that simplifies your tasks and reduces clutter, making your workspace more efficient and enjoyable. Next, let's dive into what truly sets this machine apart: its fast and efficient printing capabilities. We're talking print speeds of up to 22 pages per minute in both black and color. That means less waiting around for your important documents to materialize and more time focusing on what truly matters. But it gets even better. This printer features automatic two-sided printing, also known as duplex printing. Think about the paper you'll save, both financially and environmentally, and the professional, polished look it gives to all your reports and presentations. This feature alone can significantly cut your paper costs over time, making it a smart financial move for any budget-conscious user. And navigating these powerful features is an absolute breeze, thanks to the intuitive 5-inch color touchscreen with customizable settings. It makes complex tasks feel simple, putting you in complete control. Now let's address something that might raise an eyebrow for some. This is a renewed Canon imageCLASS MF656Cdw. And before any alarm bells go off, let me tell you why this is actually a fantastic advantage. Renewed means it's been meticulously inspected, tested, and restored to like-new performance by experts. You're getting the same robust, high-quality Canon engineering and reliability you'd expect from a brand-new unit, but at a fraction of the cost. This is a smart, sustainable choice that allows you to access premium features without the premium price tag. You're not sacrificing performance. You're simply making a more intelligent investment. It's about getting incredible bang for your buck, ensuring that your hard-earned money goes further, without compromising on the quality and efficiency you expect from Canon. And speaking of efficiency, the versatile paper handling here is superb. Equipped with a generous 250-sheet cassette for everyday tasks, a 1-sheet multipurpose tray for envelopes or special media, and a 50-sheet automatic document feeder for those larger scanning or copying jobs, you're truly equipped for anything. Less time spent reloading paper means more time focused on your actual work. So, who is the Canon imageCLASS MF656Cdw for? It's for the small business owner, the work-from-home professional, or anyone who demands high performance, incredible versatility, and smart value from their office equipment. This renewed Canon imageCLASS MF656Cdw isn't just a printer. It's a comprehensive productivity tool designed to simplify your life, save you time, and keep your operations running smoothly, all while being kind to your wallet. It's a testament to how smart choices can lead to exceptional results. If you're ready to upgrade your workspace with a reliable, efficient, and cost-effective all-in-one solution, then the Canon imageCLASS MF656Cdw is absolutely worth considering. Don't let the renewed label deter you. Embrace the value it offers. Find the link to grab yours in the description below, along with more detailed specs. And while you're there, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments if you've used this printer or what your go-to office essential is. Get ready to print smarter, not harder.